Where is he? Okay. Okay. He's coming. He's coming. Wait, no, that's someone else. Yeah, it's getting back down. Dang. Okay. Plan. You lost. Is he dead again? He's dead again. He's dead again. And Salt's just farming kills. No. That was great. We should minecart him next. Minecart him next. The minecarts will work. Believe in the heart of the minecart. Believe in the heart of the minecart. No! He stole my minecart. I'm losing minecarts. I only have like 3 left. Oh, we could convince him to do it. We could convince him to do it. Yeah, yeah. There's. No, it's possible with all of us. Okay, okay, okay. We gotta remove the other minecart though. Yeah, get rid of that one and put it up on the wall. Put it on the wall. Yeah, put it on the wall. And now you're in creative mode with an AK. Yeah. Okay, we all have to go back to spawn now then. Okay, let's go. Are we going? Okay. Okay. Go back to spawn. Go back to spawn. We're doing the thing. We're so close. We're so close. Yes. It only took him stop firing the assault rifle. Yeah, that would be pretty fun. We do that as an aftermath of the tournament. We do that after the tournament. Whoever wins gets the gun.